This video is going to help you pronounce the words work, word and world correctly in British pronunciation. These words are not pronounced with an or sound. It's not ward, walk or world. It's more of an sound. We would say work, word, world. We use the same vowel that's in her, term and serve. These words usually get mispronounced because we trust English spelling and we associate certain words with certain letters. But this is not always the case. In her, term, serve, the sound makes sense. But in word, work, world, it can seem counterintuitive, but in fact it's the same sound. This sound can also be found in words written with I and U, like bird, thirst, turn and burn. It's all the same vowel sound. This sound is one of the key sounds I teach in my course, the 5 British Pronunciation Essentials. So if you're interested in learning more about this sound and a couple of others, you can find the course at britishpronunciationtips.com. So to recap, the sound, like in her, can be written with E, I, U, and most confusingly, O. To help break the habit and to pronounce the sound clearly, the easiest way to train it is with association. The brain loves patterns, so instead of practicing word, work, world in isolation, practice them in sound groups. So the brain starts to connect the letter O with the sound. Let's have a look at these word sequences. Repeat after me. Her, term, serve, work. Her, bird, nurse, word. Term, thirst, turn, work. Verb, girl, burn, world. Were, thirst, fur, work. Once this feels more familiar, you can practice more words that are spelt with O but are pronounced with For example, word, work, world, worse, worth, worm, workplace, worship, worthwhile, worthy. And if you are interested in one-on-one pronunciation coaching, you can book a lesson with me at britishpronunciationtips.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more British pronunciation tips and activities. See you in the next lesson.